Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about running few codes in C++. Hello, this is Ankita from Technomintra. Today we are going to learn about the character input and character output in C++ programming. So let's start Turbo C++. I have already opened it. I'm going to open it. Now over here you can see that a file will open. In that file you can say new and you can start writing the code. For example, today I want that you should take the data from the user. So in that case you have to write hash include. You will include the two header files. First is the input and output stream, and next one is the conio. The first one deals with dealing with the taking input and taking output. The conio is related with the get method. Okay, so over here now I will be starting the void main method. Now after this, what I have to do, basically I have to write down cout. That will be that line that will be printed on the screen. So let's say enter the value. And a semicolon. After that in cin, that is for input, character input, in that I will be asking the user to enter this. Then cout the value, maybe entered is okay, and then I'm writing the variable I. And the most important thing is that we have not declared this variable. We have to declare this. And after this get, and then done. So now you have to basically run the code. First we'll need to compile it. We'll compile. So there are no errors. So now let's run it off. So it's asking you to enter value. For example, I say 3. So in cout, where we don't enter the value, it came. In cin I'm entering, and now say the value entered is 3. Got it? So this is a way you can run the code. So now let's do one more. Over here maybe I will create a new file and we'll write down again now. The program we are doing is, in that we will be printing something on the screen like this is my first program or something like that. So this is a way you can be learning about, like how you can take the input from the user and even how you can print it on the screen. Okay, so now over here void main, and then for example I just only want to print that this is my first C++ program. Okay, so over here basically what I have done is I have written the basic programs, like in order for you to understand about the concept of cout and cin. Okay, let's do it. So let's compile it. So there is 0 error. Now you can run it off. So now you say it says this is my first C++ program. Now I just want to tell that in that previous output was also coming, and this line this output is also getting, this program output is also getting printed. So in order that the previous one should not come, there is a method that is known as clrscr. What happened with this, that it is known as a clear screen. So whatever will be there in the previous one, it will get deleted. So let's run and see once more. So now if I will run, you can only see this is my first program will be written. So this is the way you can know that the previous one has been deleted and the new one is coming. So now today I am going to give one I am going to write over here some code, and I hope that you all will be doing it, and you all will let me know what is the output being get printed. So and then you can over here I am making even about end of the line also. So that means that whatever will come now, it will come in the next line. So basically over here I have given you two inputs. One is 2 y and x, and then over here it's not required, but if you want you can even write down ENTL, okay, like this. And over here now I want you all to run this command, to run this program as well as to compile this program, and you all have to comment me in the comment box what will be the output for this. And I hope you all like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share my video to your friends and relatives. In the next video we will be covering about the control statements, or maybe about more codes I can give you for practice. So thanks for being now. Thank you.